Engine rocking when you accelerate? That's a sign you need a new engine mount set from A Premium. Each mount is built to strict quality standards for dependable performance. Designed for smooth, easy installation, with precision mounting holes that provide an exact fit. Built to match the original design, these studs fit right and stay secure. Built with a rubber and metal design, this engine mount set delivers long-term durability and resists wear and corrosion. With precision and care built into every detail, A Premium parts deliver an exceptional driving experience.